waffles. I know, but my skin is not waffles. But it's okay, bro. Today we're gonna be trying other games like Roblox, like that me and my sister downloaded. Wait, there's only two, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna try Roblox. Okay, so let's get right in. So here we are. Yes, my don't mind this because my sister, eh, my sister want to play Roblox and my dad here. My dad supposed strict, so I don't know what should I play. I hate my sister, bro. What the F is this? Oh. I should play Rivals because when when I was bro, when I was younger, I used to play Rivals a lot. Wait, they got updating? Yeah, I have an old account. Old account. Oh, where is it? It's gonna log out. This just adds up. I cannot put in the password because I don't know, bro. Cannot put in the password. It said account recovery. I'm just gonna put in the password. So just okay. So no, we're in again. So let me try Grow a Garden too. I heard there is a new one.